To use the update eye action script, you select the eye layer, not the folder, but the eye layer itself, and then simply click on the tool. So what is this tool about? Suppose that you have a character and you're wanting to create a new set of eyes for that character. You just want to take the existing ones and modify them. So in the existing eyes, if we click on the bones here, they have some control bones if this is an M1 character, and so I can now do the angry and sad smart bone, and it'll adjust the shape of the eye outline. And if I do eyes open and closed, the eyes are open and closed. So now here I have created a copy of those eyes. So there's eyes and then eyes 2. And what I want to do is change eyes 2 to a different shape. Now first let me show you, as I'm designing a character, I can actually position those eyes as long as I'm on frame 0. I can position those eyes wherever I want just by selecting the layer position for the folder. And when I do that, notice that the eyebrows up and down still work properly, as well as the eyes open and close. So you can change or move the position of the eye containing folder, and it will still work. SmartBones will still work properly. Now in this case, what we actually want to do is show how we can change the shape of the eyes. So in that case, I want to go down to the eyes themselves, to that vector layer, make sure I'm on frame 0, and I am just going to change the shape of those by grabbing the points, and here let's bring down the corner and kind of make those eyes a little bit more narrow. And I'll do that same thing for the other eye. Bring it down just a little bit so that the eye is a little bit more narrow. And let's lift up this side here to give his eye just a little bit of a different shape. Now that's as fine as that goes, but watch what happens as I move the timeline marker. The timeline marker causes the eyes to just pop to a different location, and the reason is because those eye points are controlled in the eyes closed open and eyes angry sad actions. And we can see what's actually happening is the frame 1 and frame 24 are the SmartBone action positions of the points based upon what the original eye shape was. So we'll have to address those. But the reason that the eye pops is actually because of position in frame 12. So in frame 0, that's the way they should be. And in frame 12, now they are the old position, the way they were for the old eyes. So the first thing that I want to do is I'm just going to go in and select the eye layer and click on the tool Update Eye Actions. And when I do that, what it does is it goes through the eye closed open and eyes angry sad actions, and it changes, it copies frame 0 to frame 12. And so now it does that for both of these, because the frame 12 is the middle position when the bone is straight up and down with it, so there shouldn't be any actions or any change. So now I still want to go into these other frames and adjust them properly. So really all that does is copy frame 0 to frame 12 for those different actions. I may need to add the same capability for the eyebrows.